Everybody, hi. So goofing off a little bit. So I hope you're having an awesome Sunday. I am. It's so beautiful today here in Southern California. And I'd like to talk about Melissa, my favorite oil. So Melissa is extracted from the leaf, which contains strong soothing properties. It's used in many blends like Elevate and Motivate, my two favorite go-tos, especially at work. This oil also is valued for its fresh citrus-like aroma. You can take it internally with water or in veggie cap, ingesting it like a supplement to help support a healthy immune system. So like my other favorite oil, geranium, Melissa has a chemical component called geraniol. Also, it has neural, and with these two components combined provide soothing properties which help you relax. So if you have a big presentation or a speech or performance, 2 drops in the hands, rub them together, inhale, already did that, so I still have some on me. Also, spray bottle, as you know, it's my favorite, so I will be making one and you can spritz on your face. Also, you had a long day, whatever kind of day that is for you, you put a little Melissa on your forehead, your shoulders, and your chest to get those relaxing properties. You can diffuse before bed, so this will trick your mind into thinking, oh, we're getting ready for La La Land. You can put a drop under your tongue or do a little dip like this and thumb on the roof to get those soothing effects. It blends well with On Guard, geranium, lavender, basil, and frankincense. Speaking of frankincense, you can get that oil for free this month. doTERRA has a promotion. If you spend up to 200 points, you get the free frankincense. Also, if you're already a member and you've already placed your order and you didn't reach that 200, you can place a second order. There should be a code in an email, check it, and you can place a second order that equals to the 200 PV and you get your free frankincense. So doTERRA likes to give. Speaking of giving, oh, wait, one more thing, fun fact. Melissa is Greek for honeybee, and the leaf is edible. So I found the plants at convention, and I was like, ooh, so I took it and stuck it on my phone. So I have that. So I got a little free leaf. Speaking of free, I want to also next week talk about sandalwood. I got both of them. And so this one, you notice the top is different. I was running low, so I put some coconut oil, a little bit of this, da 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 da. Keep using it. So, and then this one I started using as well. Both value membership price is $61 and some change. So I got them both for free. Can't wait to share why I have these two and how I got them for free. So that'll be next week. You guys have a great week. Merry Christmas, and I'll see you next Sunday. Take care. Bye. See you later.